Welcome back to the channel. Today we are bringing the Christmas magic into your home with a complete guide to decorating your festival tree, choosing a perfect ornaments and making a few festive DIYs to add the personal touch and cozy look. Welcoming for the festival season. Whether you are going all out this year or keeping it cozy and simple, this guide is packed with inspiration and tips you will love. So grab a cup of cocoa and let's get started. First thing first, the tree itself, whether you are using a real pine tree or an artificial one, the setup is key. Start by fluffing the branches, take your time spreading them out, making the tree look fuller and more natural. This creates the perfect base for lights and ornaments. If you are using a pre-light, you are already ahead, but if not, wrap your fairy lights from the base all the way to the top. A good rule of thumb, about 100 lights per foot of tree height. Tuck the light deep into the branches for that soft glowing effect. Warm white lights give a classic cozy feel, while multicolored lights are fun, festive and great for family rooms. Now it's time for the real fun. Ornaments decorating before you start hanging. Take a minute to think about your theme or look. Color palette. You can go classic red and gold, icy silver and white, rustic farmhouse, or even a pastel Candyland theme. Lay out your ornaments first. Group similar ones together. Large balls, a small accent, unique pieces, and DIY ornaments. Start with the larger ornaments. These go deeper inside the tree. Close the trunk. They fill space and create depth. Next, hang medium smaller ornaments on the outer branches. Mix shapes and texture. Glitter matte, glass wood to keep the tree interesting. Tree the triangle trick. Place similar colors or shapes in a triangle pattern around the tree for visual balance, and don't forget to garland and ribbon. Wrap them loosely or tuck them in waves around the tree. This adds softness and ties everything together. If you like these ideas, follow for more. Want to add something extra special? Let's talk about some DIY ornaments you can make right at home. Fun for kids, families, or just some relaxing holiday crafting. These are super versatile. Grab some clear plastic or glass bubbles and fill them with mini pine cones, artificial snow, dried orange slices, mini gifts bows, or glitter. Tie them with ribbon and label them with names of your salt dough ornaments. These are classic and fun. Mix flour, salt, and water into dough. Roll it out. Cut shapes with cookie cutter and bake at a low temperature until hardened. Paint them, add glitter or write names. Don't forget to poke a hole at the top for string. Cinnamon stick star. Take 5 cinnamon sticks, glue them into a star shape, and tie with twine. Add a bow button.